Hello everyone. I'm so glad you are here today. Thank you for being my greatest fan and supporter. I really appreciate all of you. Today, I will be making West Africa street food with you, roasted plantain. Let's begin. I will start by peeling the plantain. I will slice the plantain. I will be roasting the plantain with air fryer. So first, I will bring out the rack and line up the plantains. Push in the rack. Close the air fryer and turn it on. Since it is roasted plantain, I will now change the settings and put it on roast. It's at 375 for 30 minutes. It's over 20 minutes since I put the plantain in. I will open and check it up. Oh, it's almost done. I will turn the other side so it can also cook well on both sides. It is 30 minutes now and the plantain has roasted. Time to check. Time to taste one. Not added and so delicious. Thank you for making roasted plantain with me today. See you soon. Bye.